again. This is a bit of a different kind of video. I have put together a bunch of footage from the past year and a half or so since I last uploaded a video about the Cayman. As of this recording at the end of October 2023, it has been a month to the day since selling the Cayman. I sold it on September 29th with 75,562 miles. I owned it for just short of 3 years and put just under 35,000 miles on it. It was, to date, my favorite vehicle out of the 9 cars I've owned up until that point, and I will definitely miss this car. During my time with the car, I was able to take it on a full day's drive to the Pocono Mountains and back, as well as 2 road trips with my wife. Once for a quick beach weekend in Delaware, the other to Ithaca, New York, and the towns surrounding one of the Finger Lakes.
What have I experienced over 30,000 miles? A lot of that. I've really been enjoying that. Logging miles, commuting. Today is an exciting day. As you know, I've been driving my Cayman every day. It's my only car. It's my commuter. It's my fun car. It's my grocery getter. It's my errand runner. It is my everything. Every car that I own is this car, and this car does everything for me. Well, today, why is it exciting? Because I just flipped 71,097 miles. Yeah! Wait, it's not like a big number. Why am I excited about that number? It's because 30,000 miles ago, I bought this car.
Over the past year and 10 to 12,000 miles, though, it has slowly started increasing the amount of oil consumption. When I first got the car, it was doing about 1,800 to 2,000 miles on a quart of oil. By the beginning of this year, 2023, I was lucky to get 1,000 miles on a quart. I monitored it with every gas fill-up, and through 2023, it was consistently 800 to 900 miles per quart. Finally, near the end of August, it threw a check engine light for a catalyst below threshold. I knew this meant one thing: bore scoring. The time had come to start thinking about letting go of my beloved Cayman. Thank you for joining me on my journey with the Cayman, whether here or on Instagram, or both. I have now had my next vehicle for a month, and while it's not another fun sports car, it was in the plans for about 2 years from now. Stay tuned for that intro video to come. Until next time, enjoy the drive.